how might advancements in AI technology further revolutionize programmatic advertising. So it's even hard to imagine how it's going to be even further in the future, because already we see a lot of changes and how they and their impact on programmatic advertising. And as you mentioned, Anna, before, so about the huge waste of money and etc., as it was before, and the fraud and how it changed right now. So what even better might happen in the future to even more revolutionize programmatic advertising? Honestly, first of all, like, you think about the same stuff that we already mentioned, but in bigger volumes, I guess, like hyper-personalization that you mentioned, for example.
Okay, so yes, hyper-personalization for sure. Maybe also the predictive analytics, just like something that should improve predictive capabilities, like allowing advertisers to anticipate user behavior with a greater accuracy. So this means that ads can be served at the most appropriate moment, increasing the likelihood of conversation. And one more sample about Amazon now. So they could predict when a user is likely to make the purchase based on different options, like on their browsing patterns, previous buying history, and then display target ads just before the so-called decision-making moment. And this should make their experience much more effective as well, because the user is eager to make the purchase, and he sees the exact ads in exact time. So possibly voice and visual search integration, maybe, like
even with me.
yeah. So I'm even about the point when the social medias are listening what we are discussing at the particular time. But let's say if someone uses a voice assistant, so I'm exactly about the voice assistant. So if someone uses a voice assistant to search for, I don't know, running shoes, AI can deliver highly relevant ads across the different devices, including the smart speakers, phones, and even maybe smart TVs and so on. So maybe also AR, that was the part of the topic of our previous webinar, like, for example, IKEA's AR app lets users see how furniture can look at their homes. So future AI advancement could make these recommendations, more personalized based on the users' home decor styles, their preferences, and they.
Yes, as far as I remember, they even could like walk through IKEA. Like they created this app not just to place the furniture somewhere, but to go through the store and choose the furniture and etc. I saw many of a jewelry, different jewelry apps, or even masks on Instagram, so you can see how the ring looks like on your fingers from the new collection.
I tried this once last week, and it really was a good shoot.
Instagram
So
or application?
No, I just I just came into the website with sunglasses, and they suggested me to try some, and it was really good fit. I like it.
As for me, so it seemed that I never used the anything for sunglasses and jewelry. I used for shoes. So I am the great fan of shoes, different ones, and I am trying the shoes from time to time using different applications. I would say that almost all the shops have the application where it's it is the possibility to test it, how it can fit on your leg. So the call to action for sure. It makes the opportunity for a purchase much higher if you can.
Yes. And talking about the other advancements that AI can bring into the programmatic, I believe that also it is about ethical and transparent AI. So transparency, it's like number one question that is raised when I talk to our clients, to our potential clients. So it's important for them to really see who they are going to work with, how it's going to look like, if it is safe, what can they know about their future partners, and etc. And I believe that AI can bring like advancements in the transparency question, the same that we use also on Access. On our platform. So we provide a pretty transparent information and it's going to be advanced. It's in our plans to even make it better and more comfortable for our clients to receive that info.
Basically, yes, because I'm using AI in order to test the to check the clients' companies from time to time, because basically on our side the finance team is handling this sort of activity, but sometimes I'm curious personally as well, and I'm checking the company, and you know, it's analyzed a lot of different sources like the websites, the social medias, and so on. So maybe excluding the different Telegram groups, but again, so I see the really complete information, and when we are cross-checking with our finance, so they are providing me almost with the same information. I mean, the conclusion is almost the same finally. So it is really helpful.
But maybe also it will touch the campaign management. So it can be the automated campaign management with AI in the future. And it can also influence the programmatic a lot, as for me.
So once I used AI in order to create the parser for applications. And when I got actually this code, and when I was checking if it is okay or not, just if it should work with our development team, so they said say that it's completely normal, so we can use it, just some adjustments, and that's all. So the future is there for sure. I just hope that it will not be too dangerous, you know.
Yes, some people are really scared of AI and they are against it openly. But I believe that like our planet in general, humanity, they are developing constantly, and it's an unstoppable process. So all we can do is just learn to use these advancements like for our benefits, and not vice versa. And I believe that those who learn, they rule the world. So we just have to actively learn all the new info that we receive, all the new possibilities to use it, and it's going to be okay. It will bring more pleasure than damage.